Hey everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training. Today we're going to look at our project we've got going on here, and I have the furniture in this office section of our warehouse, and we're going to continue on and get started on our electrical. So we've got our electrical model going, and I'm going to open that one up. So have to close this one out, close it. Oh geez. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps you make these projects all the time. So now I'm going to go into my electrical here. And once we get in here, you'll see that, if you follow this series, it'll be great, good. It's kind of all over the place, but we're going to show you how this template is used in this project in Revit 2026. I don't know why it's taking so damn long here. Okay, now here we go. We're in our electrical model, and I've laid out some components, and as you can see, we've got the background going on here from our architectural, and we're showing several things here. So over here, I'm showing the electrical alliance lighting and appliance panel, and to blow those in, you might want to go to your insert tab here and go to your load Autodesk family from the cloud, and here you'll find all of your electrical components MEP we're going to use here. So there's all of your components, switches, nurse call, security, distribution. So we're going to go into distribution. I'm going to pull up another lighting and appliance panel here just to show you how to load it in. You're going to load it, and then once we get it over here, boy, I don't know why this is so dragging in so much. Okay, we get it in here. We'll go to our systems tab here, and we'll go equipment here, and there's our panel. That's a 480 MLO lighting and appliance, and there should be several others here. There we are. So we've got several others, and we've got a transformer here. There's some generators. We've got 250 amp, 277, and what have you, and what on and so forth. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and basically show you how these work. So let's just place a panel here. We've got two already. These are recessed. I'm going to go and just say, I'm going to go electrical equipment. This is surface mounted. Yeah, let's take the surface mounted because I've got it recessed already. So we'll do a surface mounted panel here and one here. We might need four in here, so that's going to go with these. These are our light fixtures, and we've got a transformer right here. So here we've got we got countertop receptacles here, and we might want to have one here, and then this is going to be our power plan. So as you see here in our project browser, we're on power, and then in our lighting, we had level 1 lighting. You can see, if I go into that view, you'll see our lighting plan here. Now, we're going to get certain things here. Now, I think that for our electrical, our switches, we're going to add more lights out here in this area. And then we've got an outdoor generator where we're going to run some underground conduit from here to these panels over here. So just getting this stuff ready for you guys. I'm going to go back into my 3D. Look at this in 3D here, if it'll ever come up. So there's our utility vault underground over there. And we're going to do a trench over here and come underground and connect to these panels over here. And as you can see, these are all lit up light. They're heavier because This is a link model. This is just electrical. So if you go under our links, you will see, going to manage links here. Okay. Wow. This is very, so there's our architectural. And then our precast is there as well. Okay, so for now, let's go back to our power. And we're going to need switches for our lights. So I'm going to place this receptacle right here. Standard duplex. This is standard duplex. What's we got here? Okay. So we're going to add a few light switches here. Since we're over here, so we go into our systems. And we'll go device. We have lighting, the switch. We go into our type properties here. That's a circuit breaker. We just go with a door light switch. Okay, that's for door. Let's just go with let's go with a 4-way out here. So we're gonna have to adjust these lights. And then we're going to go with the regular door switch. I don't know, we're going that DR there. Just want to go with just a switch, plain switch here. Let's go to single pole here. There you go. So we got a single pole here for the bathrooms, one there. We'll put one here for this room. So these are all in our power. We got communications and data devices here. I'm not going to go through all this for you because you know how to do this. So I'm going to just place these few in here. This is our electrical power plan. So hey guys, I'm going to leave it there. Now we're going to leave this file. We probably put one out here. It's going to be a 4-way or something special out here. We can change these later. So I'm going to leave this file. I'm going to go file. I'm going to close this one. And yes, I want to save it. And then this is going to take us back into our architectural file. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps you make these videos. And so we're going to open this file. So, you know, this is how the workflow is, basically. You have different offices do these things differently. This is taking a while to come up. So we're back into our electrical. I don't know why that's showing. There you go. So we're back into our electrical file. And as you can see, we go into our 3D view now. I'm going to show you a little something here. So I'm going to go to my 3D here. Now earlier we did orientate to view. So right now we've got our full model going on here, and we can see some of our switches. There's our door switch to be put in. But what I'm going to do this. I'm going to orientate this to view, orient to view, floor plans. Okay, and we're going to level 1. And what you always want to do, I probably should have, okay, you want to go into our project browser here and go down to our 3D views. Where are they? There they are. So we've got our 3D default view, and we've got a 3D for our cover view, but I want to, this one here where we're in, I want to duplicate this. And I'm going to call this I'm going to rename this to first floor 3D. Just so we'll know, we'll have it together when we come into it. So this is our first floor 3D drawing now. Come on. Okay. And as you can see, there's our switches that we brought in from our electrical. I'll finish those up and move on to the next. But that's our electrical going now. Let's go into our floor plan, our level 1 floor plan here. Architectural. And now you don't see these switches here now because this is in fine view. So let's go down and have a look at our electrical power plan here. And let's look at level 1. And now they're going to be showing up in this drawing right here. So we've got our models linked up. We got our electrical started. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Go to our 3D plan and leave it there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye. Be safe, y'all.